You like your new back garden, don't you, baby girl? Look at the size of it. That's his aerials. Who's a good girl? You like your new back garden, don't you? Don't you? Hey, I am absolutely pooped. What are you doing? Are you sniffing Grandpa's aerials? Where are you going? You don't want to go poop? You just want to sniff and play, don't you? He's a good girl. What are you shaking for? What are you shaking for? There you go. Waggle that tail. Waggle that tail. Did you just eat a slug? You absolute scruff. Hello everyone. Oh god, I feel weird walking up this way. Shields Road. That's where our closest shops are. Becca's packed the vapes and she doesn't know where they are. I need to go get myself a vape. Yeah. Oh, that hill's a nightmare. Should have gone to Asda. It's closer. Oh, tired. What a nightmare it's been. It took 4 trips all together. Filled the van to the brim like. But the thing is, which I'm gutted about, we put the TV. Like, we figured it'd be better to leave everything flat so nothing banged against it. Also, there were like 3 TVs. Mine was the biggest one, 70 inch. So we laid that on its back and then we put my dad's, because it was smaller, on top, facing down. So like the 2 screens were touching. Don't know what happened when the TV screen busted. I don't know what my dad's is like. He can't find his TV remote to switch it on. So it's like crap. But luckily enough, because my dad mentioned, well, you got the warranty for it, didn't you? And yeah, 2 years. And that'll cover you for accidental damage. And really, I logged on at the website and just filled out the form. Actually, is it today? 20th. Oh, so they're coming in 4 days. Christmas Eve. I don't know what time though. I think they'll ring me. Oh, I've always wanted those. Proper Mexican place. Came back there one night for the date night. And this is where all the shops are, including the pubs. The bar. There's loads of bars on the street. Try that fast. Well, where's the closest vape shop? I thought there was one just up here. Fries and burgers with a Z. Shop. Hey. Oh, off license. I'll be back. Gotta pay. 25 quid for all that. 25 quid. 4 vapes. And 3 bottles of pop. 25 bar. It's insane, that. Oh no, I went the top way. I didn't come this way. You can go this way. I don't know why. The reason why I turned left there on this road, because this is the way we've been coming all day. Go down this way. I think I can, because there's a car wash there, I think. The tea house there. Should be able to get down this way. Hey. I'm absolutely drained. Absolutely drained. I just want to get into bed and just chill out. Oh yeah, I can. God, that's a hill and a half. Oh. Sorry about that. The van came down. Speeding a little bit. Seriously. Why is this road so busy? Oh, I know why. It's because there's a doctor's office there. It's not a doctor's office. It's I don't know. Is it a doctor's? I know my dad goes there for his feet. Because he had some sores on his feet. He had to go there. Just can't believe how close McDonald's is. They're right there. We have to be past it. But we got it done. Finally. Loading up the van. It was only 2 hours. And even the bloke that was helping, my dad's friend Brian, he was rushing into hospital at 2 o'clock this morning. Or he didn't get out of hospital until 2 o'clock in the morning. He's got a bad heart. Had a heart attack a while back. So he couldn't lift much. Oh, that's where this is where the 32E comes. You remember, a while back, 32E came, I think we were up at the hospital for RVI, and I was like, 32E says Walker. I was like, yeah, where the heck does that go? I remember. No, it comes up this way. Fancy. So when it says Walker, it must mean Walkerville. Because right down there, right, there's a street, well, a main road. It goes all the way down to the bottom through to Wallsend, but it passes Walkerville. That must be what it means when it says Walker. It's not part of Walker, it's Walkerville, Walker Village. Yeah, but anyway, I should have gone as that, so much closer, just literally just there. What am I showing you? Well, it's in that direction. Boxes everywhere. Room's full. People have been stacking everything in my room, mine and Becca's room. My dad weren't too best pleased, because his bed's been put up, which is what he wanted. but he wanted it on the other wall. So the boxes were on the other wall where the bed is. He was like, who's done that? Yeah, it wasn't best happy. But mine's just been a stressful day. We've got these. Anyway, I'll be back. All I want to do is get into bed. It's all I want to do. I'm knackered. I've been non-stop for 3 days. Literally non-stop. I'm going to McDonald's now. Because for some reason on the menu it doesn't have the fillet of fish. So he's doing something else to me that. Oh, we'll have a walk up, it's only up there. So yeah, I'm tired, my back hurts, it's freezing. Becca's already in bed. We're on an air mattress for now. What we're going to do is we're going to put the wardrobe up, the bookshelf, and then find a spot for them, and then go and get a bed. Oh no, sort the boxes out and the bags, and then go get a bed. Which I say is like, I don't mind sleeping on an air mattress for a week or so. I mean, I stayed on one for 3 months when I was in Texas. So, meh, who cares? Oh, well, I'm so tired. Oh, my feet are killing. Ow! Why? Why do they hurt so much? Ow! And then he turns to me. If they've got none, if they've stopped doing it or whatever, just get a couple of double cheeseburgers. So why not just order it? But mine is right, it is cheaper to walk up instead of ordering. Because Just Eat, they had a service charge, a tax fee, delivery fee and a bag fee. It's terrible. I've just realised as well, when I went to the shop, there's a frigging Shell garage there. I could have gone to the Shell garage. The vapes and the pot. I didn't need to walk all the way to Fields Road. Stupid douche-uber. Hey. Nearly there. Newcastle Climbing Centre. Oh, that looks like fun. They turned a church into a climbing centre. Oh, that would be fun, that. It's a boxing gym there. Oh, tools. Ow, ow, ow. Trouble's been scared all day because she didn't know what was going on. But like when we started packing, so I was done in yesterday. I had all my dad's stuff, the rest of my dad's stuff to pack. Everything else. I just got to be turned to like 5 o'clock. I was like, you know what, I'm done in. I need sleep. So I said, let's just pack in the morning, we'll get up early. She says, well, I'm up early in anyway. So, she says, well, just wake me up at 7:30. She'll wake me up at 7:30 and we'll start packing. But obviously troubled. She didn't know what was going on. Felt so bad for her. Oh, across this road. Oh yeah. And then because she kept jumping over things and getting into things, and she climbed into the suitcase at one point, laying on all the clothes. So anyway, I was like, right, it's time to put you in your kennel, in your cage. And with that moving about all the time, she kept shaking, bless her. And we put her in the back of the car. Hey, God, she wasn't off crying. But she's settled now, which is good. Ow. McDonald's, you know what? I'm gonna get myself a cheeseburger and walk down with it. What I was telling you there. I'll be back because I'm going to pay on my phone. Jesus Christ, I should have just ordered it. Where am I going? That'll do. I just want to enjoy my drink. I got a caramel frappuccino. I got a caramel frappuccino. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's my new favourite drink. Oh, it was worth it. Waiting nearly half an hour. Definitely worth it. Oh, it's brilliant, isn't it? I love it. Could they give us another bag? Idiots. Is it real? Stupid thing. Good job, these bags are strong. Trying to concentrate on not passing out. I thought it was a Mexican restaurant, not a nightclub. Right, I'm sorry, I'll be back because I can't carry all this, including my phone. I shall be back.